Greetings, fellow painters. Stan Kurth here. Just wanted to let you know I'll be teaching an intuitive painting with watercolor and gouache workshop at Cheap Joe's Art Supplies in Boone, North Carolina, August 21st through 24th. This workshop is for all levels of experience. You'll hear my personal feelings and thoughts on intuitive painting and what it means to incorporate them in my process. There will be emphasis on the elements and principles of design, the backbone of all art. The objective will be to create paintings in your style that resonate with your personal aesthetic. I hope you can join me there. You'll learn a lot, and most of all, you'll have fun doing it.